Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for a presentation. I am Mahmoud Rashid, ID 1920022, Ranada Pushasha University. My topic is electrical properties of material. Tripoli 333. Definition: Miller indices are used to specify direction and panel. Thus, direction and panel could be in lattice or in crystal. The number of indices will match with the dimension of the lattice or the crystal. In 1D there will be one index, and 2D there will be two indices, etc. The simple cubic structure. In the simple cubic structure there is only one lattice point at each corner of the cubic shaped unit cell. They mark the position of either a signal atom or the same group of atoms known as the motif, which is respected across the lattice polynomial is reported to crystallize in the simple cubic structure. The body-centered cubic structure is based on the simple cubic structure but has an additional lattice point at the very center of the cube: iron, chromium, and tungsten. The face-centered cubic structure. Another structure based on the simple cubic structure is face-centered cubic. In this crystal structure there are the 8 lattice points at each corner, as in the simple cubic, but there are additional lattice points at the center of each face of the cube. In material, since it is important to have an nation system of atomic panels, since the panel influence optical properties, dislocation, reactivity, surface tension. There have the panel instruct the x-axis a plot it runs parallel alongly, and z-axis. Thus the panel can be designed at 1, 2, 3 a. Lengthwise, the yellow panel can be designed as infinity 1 infinity, and the green panel can be written as infinity 1. There have a panel x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis that mentioned on 1 infinity and infinity. The surface is, we see that infinity 1 infinity. Miller indices are the expression for the parameter of each crystal phase. Thus, pink phase 100, green phase 001, yellow phase 010. There have one panel, another panel. The place of interest cards 2 of the crystallographic axis intercepts 1 1 infinity 1 1 0. There have another panel. The panel cards are 3 crystallographic axis intercepts 1 1 1, panel 1 1 1 axis. The panel cards 2 of the reference axis, but no equidimensional intercepts have 1 0 2 0 2 1 0. Drift velocity. Have you ever been in a large crowd heading in a certain direction? Think about a mass of students heading into the cafeteria at lunch time or a massive crowd of people moving toward their seats at a concert or supporting event. Now that you have the image in your head, pick one person in the crowd and image he has right paint to the bottom of his shoes. Anything that carries change, though a conductor is a charge carrier for the purpose of this lesson. Let's assume our charge carrier are electron moving through a simple battery powered circuit on their way to illuminate a light bulb. Electron mobility and drift velocity. Quantum machines tells us that electrons exhibit random motion when the switch is flipped turned on our light, light bulb. An electric field is immediately created along the wire, inducting the electron to move to higher potential, which is the positive side of the battery. When the electron move towards the positive terminal, they bounce into the atom in the wire. The combination of their interaction, random motion, and their collision with atom cause the electron of zig and zag along their journey is in this diagram. They have a volume, charge, the conductor charge like induction voltage X is equal to VDT is a surface. It's determined by the drift velocity and the strength of the electricity field as shown in this equation. Mu is equal to Vd by E, where mu is equal to electron mobility, Vd is the drift velocity and meters per second, E is the strength of the electric field in newtons per coulomb, N by C. The formula is drift velocity is Vd is equal to 1 by N AQ. Thank you.